Hello. In this session we're going to talk about adding a data source as part of the data management suite. So we choose add a data source and we can see that we have an opportunity to either do a database registration or a file registration. In this video we're going to talk about file registration. So we get the opportunity to add a name to the data source, and we will choose it to be a private rather than shared or public, and we also have to give it a base URI which needs to be unique. And having done that, we then click on here to upload a file, and I've chosen a CSV here. We open that and it's now been successfully loaded, so we move into the next phase, and we can see here that the load process has gone away, looked at the CSV file, identified that there's one table, and when we click on that we can see the various column names. And what we'll choose to do here is to add them all to our ontology. We're in the process here of creating a putative ontology as well as creating a source for the data which is going to populate the triple store. So again, here we can see the column names from the CSV, and what I'm proposing to do is to enhance that by adding a couple of new classes. We apply that and we can see immediately down here that this additional class has been added, and if I want to, I could add a subclass to that. And again, we can see that that has immediately been added. So we can enhance the ontology, the base ontology, with additional information if we wanted. So then we apply that and confirm, and we can see that the provisional model has been applied, and here is our new data source. So the next task then is to actually load the data. So if I click on this button here, that will now take the data from that CSV and populate the triple store. So we do that, we see it started, and it's now complete. A very quick process. If we want to look at the putative ontology that's been created, we can quickly go over here and visualize that, and we can see there it is, a very simple ontology, but nevertheless it has been created as part of that process of creating the data source. We can see our data's been loaded. So that, in simple terms, is the process of adding a data source from a file. And thank you.